Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Now I am dealing with the topic classes of antibodies. It is a very important topic. Immunoglobulins are classified into 5 types based on the antigenic character of heavy chain, namely immunoglobulin G, immunoglobulin A, immunoglobulin M, immunoglobulin D, and immunoglobulin E. They contain a heavy chain gamma, alpha, mu, delta, epsilon. Two types of light chain, namely kappa and lambda, are found in immunoglobulin. The occurrence of kappa chain is more common in human immunoglobulins than lambda chains. First, we are discussing about immunoglobulin G or IgG. IgG is the most abundant class of immunoglobulin. IgG is composed of a single Y-shaped unit, that means monomeric unit. IgG is the major immunoglobulin in human serum and makes up to 70 to 75% of the total immunoglobulin pool. The IgG classes act against bacteria and viruses by opsonizing the invader and neutralizing toxin. IgG is the only immunoglobulin molecule able to cross the placenta and provide naturally acquired immunity for the newborn and persist for several months. IgG, also known as maternal antibody. There are 4 immunoglobulin G subclasses: immunoglobulin G1, immunoglobulin G2, immunoglobulin G3 and immunoglobulin G4. Their chemical nature depends the heavy chain composition and arrangement of disulfide bond. Biological functions of immunoglobulin G subclasses are immunoglobulin G1 and immunoglobulin G3 can capacity to bind to monocyte and macrophages to activate complement system. IgG2 develop response against antitoxins. IgG4, this is antibodies function as a skin sensitizing immunoglobulins. Next we are discussing about immunoglobulin A, that means IgA. It is the second most abundant immunoglobulin and contribute 15% of the immunoglobulin pool. Immunoglobulin A occurs in the serum as a polymerized dimer joined together by a polypeptide J chain. Immunoglobulin A associated with the secretory mucosal surfaces. It is mostly found in the body's secretions such as saliva, tears, sweat, milk, and the walls of intestine. Immunoglobulin A transported from mucosal associated lymphoid tissue to mucosal surfaces, so it is called secretory antibody. The secretory immunoglobulin A, now called the primary immunoglobulin of the secretory immune system. Immunoglobulin A is the most predominant antibody in the colostrum. Immunoglobulin A plays major role in protecting surface tissues against infectious microorganisms. Breast milk immunoglobulin A help to protect nursing newborns. Immunoglobulin A prevents the pathogens such as bacteria, viruses, protozoans that adhere the mucosal surface. Next we are discussing about immunoglobulin M, IgM. It is the third most abundant immunoglobulin, contribute 10% of the immunoglobulin pool. It is commonly seen in pentameric form. The monomers are arranged in a pinwheel array with the Fc ends towards the center and consist of J chain between two monomers. IgM is the first immunoglobulin made during B cell maturation. Immunoglobulin M is the first secretory into serum during primary antibody response. Immunoglobulin M is unable to move freely because of its large size and do not cross the placenta. It provides important defense against bacterial disease. Immunoglobulin M is also an effective neutralizer. Immunoglobulin M agglutinates bacteria, activates complement by classical pathway. It also enhances the ingestion of pathogens by phagocytic cells. Next we are discussing immunoglobulin D. It is found in very low concentration in the blood serum. It is highly sensitive to proteolytic enzyme. Immunoglobulin D has a monomer structure. They are present at the surface of B cell, bind antigen and start antibody production. Next we are discussing about immunoglobulin E, IgE. Immunoglobulin E is a single Y-shaped monomer. It is normally present in minute quantity in the blood. Immunoglobulin is bound to the cytoplasmic membrane of basophils in blood and mast cell in connective tissue. When immunoglobulin E molecule bind with the mast cell, which release histamine and cause allergy. Thank you for the watching. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.